Here we're going to look at multiplying two numbers that are written scientific notation. So 2.1 times 10 to the 7th times 4 times 10 to the 9th. So one thing this hinges on is noticing if we're multiplying these two numbers, and notice how this is multiplication, it's all multiplication, multiply, 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 so we can really do it in any order. So let's multiply the two things that we can multiply more easily, and then multiply the tens all together. And so 4.4 times 2.1 is 8.4, and 10 to the 9th times 10 to the 7th is 10 to the 16th. If you wrote them all out, you'd have 16 tens in a row, so 8.4 times 10 to the 16th. Now I'll say on that one, sometimes you luck out and your front number's already between 1 and 10, because remember, to be in scientific notation, the front number needs to be between 1 and 10. So let's try another one. What do you do if the front number doesn't come out between 1 and 10? So 5.4 times 10 to the 7th times 9 times 10 to the 3rd. So we're doing 5.4 times 9 for our front numbers, so we get 48.6 times 10 to the 7 and 3. If we wrote them all out, they'll make it 10 to the 10th. All right, then notice, technically this isn't in scientific notation because this number needs to be between 1 and 10. And here's why they say that, because if it's not, you can always move the decimal to make it be between 1 and 10. Now, a lot of times people want to jump right to, well, does that mean this is 10 to the 11th, or does that make it 10 to the 9th? Don't try to absorb it into the whole problem right away. Just focus on only this number. Think if I wanted to write 48.6 in scientific notation, that would look like 4.86, right? That makes it between 1 and 10, times, and since this is bigger than this one, think 4.8-ish times 10 would make it 48. So I turned just that number into scientific notation. So now I can see, oh, it looks like we are adding one more 10 to our group, right? That's 10 to the 1st and 10 to the 10th. But just be careful, it depends whether it was a bigger number than you wanted or a smaller one. So just focus on just put this in scientific notation. This will sort itself out. And so my full answer is 4.86 times 10 to the 11th.